Hey guys, so today's video is going to be an unboxing of a really cool subscription box. This is by Mariér. I hope I'm saying that correctly. It is absolutely beautiful on the outside, and the stuff that I got inside is super awesome as well. So this is a subscription box, and I was actually sent this to review, and I am super excited because it is so pretty. As soon as you open it up, it has this really pretty black and white paper and has a nice thank you card for joining the subscription, and it has a card inside as well that tells you what's inside the box, the theme of the month, and how much everything is worth. So you're definitely getting more than you pay for. So I believe this box is $29.99 a month, and everything in here is worth more than that. So the first thing that I got in here was this strawberry and champagne soy candle. It is by Steph M Creations, and it tells you where all the products can be found. So I think a lot of people put their products into this box, so it's kind of a nice way to test out new companies. And this is super good. It smells really good. Let me get you nice and close. You can see that. That was the first item in here, and that was valued at $4. And I love candles. I have a little personalized pouch for sunglasses or whatever else you want to put in there, but I'm going to probably use it for sunglasses and put it in my pocketbook. I love it. It's super cute, and it says my name. I like that little touch. Now, I don't know if everybody gets something like that, or I just did because I was reviewing this. I'm not 100% sure. I will ask Tiffany, the owner, if that is something that everybody gets or I just get, or if you could purchase something like that through the company. I'll give you all the information down in the description box. But the next thing I got in here is from Naja's Touch. I'll put all the information down below so you can find each individual person's products. But this is Champagne Kisses Bath Bombs. It is super cute. Look at that with the rose and everything. I have only used one bath bomb before, so I'm super excited to try this one. It smells very nice, very cute, and that was worth $6. So the next thing that I got in here was in a little baggie, a nice little satin baggie, and this is a keychain with little hearts and crystals, and it says love. And this was from Gift Tale, and it's a pink rhinestone keychain valued at $9. Super cute touch. You get little trinkets to add to your pocketbook or wherever you would like your keys. And then the next thing I got was this loose leaf tea infuser from the tea box at teabox.tea. This was worth $4.50. I love tea. I'm a huge tea lover, and I don't have one like this, so I'm super excited to try this one. And the next thing that I got was the champagne and raspberries white tea, loose tea, to go with the little tea infusers. And this was from Nelson's Tea. You can find them at nelsonstea.com. Super excited about that. I don't have a price for them, but yeah. Oh, I do. Champagne and raspberry tea was $3.50. So that's not bad for a decent size of tea. And I think the last thing in here was the most expensive item, which is really awesome. This is the original Rose Pink Makeup Eraser, valued at $20. So this is a makeup eraser from Makeup Eraser, the original, guys. I've never tried this. I have tried other makeup remover cloths, but I've never tried the original, so I'm super excited to have this. And yeah, and this is currently being sold on Ulta.com for about $20. So you are definitely getting worth your value. I like this box because it is smaller companies that you get to try that you would never know about. So I love that that's the kind of stuff that's in here, and each month has a different theme, so you'll get things that are inspired by that theme. I am absolutely happy about it. You can have a nice cup of tea with your candle and have a tub. And then take your makeup off, if you know what I mean. Like, it just has like a theme within itself. So I'm absolutely loving this subscription box. I hope that you guys like this unboxing as well. Please check down in the description bar for all the links to all the companies and the box itself and how you can get it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, and share. As always, appreciate it. Bye, guys.